Because I don't have I don't own a name. The government issues names for people, but I was not born with a name. I do not own a name.
In today's video, we've got a sovereign citizen who believes the rules don't apply to him. He hands the Oregon trooper his sovereign citizen paperwork, claiming to be a lawful traveler. The Oregon trooper that proves him wrong and arrests him.
No problem, sir. Just the reason for the stop today is I noticed that you don't have a valid driver's or a license plate on the vehicle right now. What do you have here?
That is a questionnaire with the notification that I am a lawful traveler, sir.
I can already hear you, sir.
Is there an emergency I can assist you with?
Well, no, sir. The reason I'm contacting you don't have a license plate as you're required to have.
I have a statement that I am not for hire. If you read that and understand. Do you understand that I am not for hire?
Okay.
Number one, I am not a commercial driver. Do you understand this?
I understand.
All right. Therefore, by law, I am not required in my recreational vehicle to have a license or registration.
And the information's on this stuff that you
Yes, sir, it is.
Well,
there's a
I'll
question.
definitely oblige you, and I'll take a look at that stuff. But do you have a driver's license or anything?
No, sir, I don't have any ID with me at all.
You don't? Okay.
I'm not required by law to carry ID.
Okay. You're aware in the state of Oregon, if you're driving a motor vehicle on the highway, you're required to carry and present your driver's license?
I'm not driving a motor vehicle, sir.
Well, I won't argue that point with you. I understand your point of view on those
I'm
kinds
traveling.
of things. Okay? What I do is I enforce the Oregon laws. Okay, so I am required to ask you for that stuff, and you're required to provide that stuff. But since you don't have that on you, would you mind providing me with your name and date of birth?
No, sir, my name is I am.
Your name is I am. Okay, well that's going to be a problem for me.
Yes, it is, because I don't have I don't own a name. The government issues names for people, but I was not born with a name. I do not own a name.
Well, do you have a name that you go by besides I am?
I do not, sir.
Do you have a name that you were given when you were born?
I do, but I'm not going to. If a question, is it true that anything I say can and will be used against me in a court of law?
Well, right now, sir, the only crime that you could potentially be committing would be fail to carry and present your driver's license. And here's the deal. As long as I can ID you, I don't want to go that route if we can. So a name and date of birth work for me, just so I can verify that you have a valid driver's license and privileges in the state of Oregon. The problem is if you don't, then in the eyes of the state of Oregon, you are committing a crime. And at which point, then I will read you your Miranda rights and make sure that you are aware of what they are.
I will also read you read in there. Well, there are subjects that you are opening yourself up to, sir. I don't believe you want to get involved in.
As I stated, I would oblige you on that. I'll take a look at this.
Please do, sir.
But I'd like this to kind of be a two-way street where we can work together on this.
I would
when I contact somebody, I like to know who I'm talking to. I obviously know that your name is not I am, okay? So... I'm not at liberty to give you my name, and I refuse on the grounds that tends to incriminate me. Well, here's what I'll do then, sir, because I have explained to you that failing to carry and present a driver's license in the state of Oregon is a crime. So I'm going to read you your rights so that you understand your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while being questioned. You have the right to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before being questioned if you wish. If you do give a statement, you can stop talking anytime you wish. Do you understand those rights?
No, sir, I do not understand. No, sir, I do not understand. I do not.
So, let me ask you
I do not consent. I do not comply.
Okay.
I am a free citizen traveling on the highways.
Okay.
Thank you. It's all in there. The laws are in there, the Supreme Court laws and everything, and it's Oregon laws. Let's see, what else have we got here? Oh God, I have got things for days. First off, here is something you should read.
Wait, I can't hear you, sir. What?
That's something you should read right off of the bat.
So what is this that you're handing me?
It is Oregon law.
Okay. And what is this referring to?
To my vehicle, and all that? Yes, sir. It's all there.
Okay. Well, so I'm trying to make this as simple as we can.
So am I, sir. Am I being detained?
So.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
I'm sorry. Again, you're gonna have to
Am
speak
I
up.
being detained?
Right now you are, sir.
Then
I can't hear you.
then I refuse to make any further statements based on the grounds that it might tend to
I'm gonna
incriminate
give
me.
you this because I don't need this, okay?
If you, let's see, is that
So what I'm asking you to do is go ahead and step out of the vehicle, okay? At this point, you are under arrest for failing to carry and present a driver's license, okay? So listen to me very carefully.
you're trespassing, sir?
If you do anything other than what I say, then I'm gonna take that as that you're resisting arrest. Do you understand?
You're trespassing.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, sir, I do not.
Okay.
You're
At
trespassing.
this point, you're under arrest. Do you understand?
You're trespassing.
Okay.
Sir. Call my lawyer. Call.
That's fine. I need you to take your seatbelt off and step out of the vehicle.